Good morning, students. You are welcome in Nano Academy. Today we are studying the chapter number 6 of standard class 10 trigonometry. In last video we have studied the some basic ratios of trigonometry. Today we are recalling trigonometric ratios, some formulas and one equation. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with reference to at the new figure. This is a figure. This is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle ABC, B is a right angle and C, measure of angle C is theta and angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. But why? B is a right angle. In any triangle, sum of the measure of all triangles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Out of three angles, one angle is right angle. Therefore, 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So, sum of the measure of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are acute angles. Let the measure of angle C is theta degree, or angle C is equal to theta. Therefore, angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, we are referring this figure and we are finding the following ratios sin theta, cos theta and tan theta with reference to this triangle ABC. Okay, now we find the trigonometric ratio sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to theta. Therefore, side AB is a side opposite to angle theta and AC is a hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta, that is AB, divided by hypotenuse AC. Therefore, sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Okay. Now we see the ratio cos theta. Let us see ratio cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. In this figure, in triangle ABC, this is theta angle. Therefore, AB is the opposite side of angle theta and BC is adjacent side of angle theta. Therefore, what is the adjacent side of angle theta? BC. Therefore, BC divided by hypotenuse AC. So, we write here BC and in this denominator AC. So, cos theta is equal to BC divided by AC or BC by AC, and sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Now we see tan theta. Now let us see tan theta. These are basic trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta. If we are finding the tan theta, therefore we write here opposite side of angle theta. If there is A, then we have to write here A. If we write tan C, means trigonometric tangent ratio of angle C, then we have to write opposite side of angle C. So we write here opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side of angle theta. So this is adjacent side of angle theta. This is opposite side of angle theta. Therefore, opposite side AB divided by adjacent side BC. Therefore, tan theta is equal to AB by BC. So we write here tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Okay. Our problem number 1 is complete. Let us see the problem number 2. Complete the relation in ratios below. So we have to write the relation between ratios, sin theta and sin ratio, and this cos ratio. So we have to write relation. Here also sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to what? Here sin theta is equal to cos theta in bracket 90 minus blank bracket. Means we have to write something in the blank space. In this way we will fill up our 4 blank spaces. Okay. So we are using the same figure. For second question also. Now sin theta is equal to, for this angle theta, AB by BC we give number 1. Second, cos theta is equal to BC by AC, means adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. So BC by here AC, AB by AC. Opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. We will give 2 number or number 2. Now sin theta divided by cos theta. So what is the value of sin theta? AB upon AC. From what? Divide by BC by AC. From 1 and 2. Now AB by AC into, we write the reciprocal of BC upon AC. What will be the reciprocal of this denominator? BC upon AC. So reciprocal of BC upon AC is AC divided by BC. Here AC cancel. Here we write AB by BC. But AB by BC means side opposite to. Here right side AB is equal to opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of theta. But opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we write here sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is a relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now let us see the second relation. We know sin theta is equal to AB by AC. We write here number 1. Now we go to second acute angle which is 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to, so for this angle AB is a adjacent side and this is a hypotenuse. Therefore cos 90 minus theta is equal to adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta upon a hypotenuse. So AB by AC. From 1 and 2, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So we will write here theta. Therefore cos theta is, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Let us see third number. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta, that is BC, divided by hypotenuse is equal to AC. Number 1. Now sin 90 minus theta is equal to, this is 90 minus theta angle. So we have to find, we are finding the sine ratio. So sine ratio is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side of angle 90 minus theta, that is the BC, upon hypotenuse, that is AC. From 1 and 2, right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are equal, therefore left hand side must be equal. Therefore from 1 and 2, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So we will write here theta. So cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Now 4 number relation. Now we will find the relation between tan theta and tan 90 minus theta. Here tan theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. tan theta is equal to AB by BC. This is number 1. Now tan 90 minus theta is equal to side opposite to 90 minus theta, or opposite side of angle 90 minus theta divided by adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta. Therefore BC by AB. Now we are finding the relation between tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. What will be the product of tan theta and tan 90 minus theta? We are finding the product of tan theta and tan 90 minus theta. What will be the product? So tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, we will write the values or ratios of tan theta and tan 90 minus theta. So ratio of tan theta is AB upon BC into, and ratio of tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Now AB cancel, BC cancel, therefore product of tan theta and tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Okay. So in this way we have completed the question number 2. Now we write the equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to blank space. We are using the same figure here. Let us solve the question number 3. Complete the equation. We have to complete this equation. Right hand side are given and we are write the left hand side in blank space. Sin theta is equal to, according to this figure, AB by AC. Number 1. Next, therefore sin square theta is equal to AB by AC square. Number 1. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta equal to BC by hypotenuse AC. Now squaring both sides. So cos square theta is equal to BC by AC bracket close square. Now this is, suppose this is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. So first we add left hand sides of equation number 1 and 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB upon AC square plus BC upon AC square. Therefore AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. Now you see denominators are equal, AC square, so we write here AC square and we add the numerator. So AB square plus BC square. This equation number 3. Here in triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Number 4. therefore so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. Here from 4 is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we have find the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta and it is 1. Therefore we will complete the given equation sin square theta plus cos square theta in question number 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.